What's up? Hi. Yeah. It's bright. It's like 40 degrees. It's nice. It's really nice. Everything's melty. We have twice as much snow as we did on my snowy day video. Um, 'Cause last week on Monday or Tuesday we had this crazy blizzard. And well, here, just a second. We have a lot of snow. It's deep. That looks about the same. It had melted more, but then more snow fell down. But since then, it's been good. All these big streams. Where are you going, huh? Come here. No, you're not going for a ride. No. No. But, it's nice. It's gonna make my job a lot easier. Driving around town. Went to, Nord's today, and it was... Actually, I went yesterday, last night, around 9 o'clock. It was muddy, and I got my car stuck. And I had to call to get a tow, and then my battery died, as his dad came out with the truck. Yeah, so, phone's charging. Just got back a little while ago. It was all around good. What are you doing over there? Come here. Cookie. Dog. Anyway, yeah. Just felt like going outside and saying, hey, it's nice. Nice out here in the world. I can park on the street again, which is good. And I'm excited for less snow to be falling and more sun to be shining. Even though I wake up at noon most days. Oh. Right, okay. Checking in, checking out. Talk to you later.